This is a brand new 2014 Kia Sorento. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.3-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, voice activation technology, a sunroof, heated seats, speed-sensitive volume controls, high-intensity headlights, an audio media storage unit, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, chrome wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, leather seats, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.